Hello, today I want to do a quick review of the Worksharp belt sander knife sharpener. Now normally I'm skeptical about a lot of different kinds of knife sharpeners, but this one I actually really like it and everything about it seems really good. They make a few different models of these. I'm going to put links in the description for each of the different models, and I'll put this one first. And if you want to check those out on Amazon, I'll also make a small commission off of that. This one was a gift to me, and we're going to run through some of the features and what it comes with real quick and try it out on this knife I made a long time ago but never even put an edge on. One of the cool things about these is right out of the box they come with a variety of different grit belts, so that's good to get you going, and you can do more aggressive sanding and then work your way up to the real fine grits tonight to get a nice razor sharp edge. And you also get different guides that come with it to get different degrees of grinds, whether you're doing an axe, scissors, knives. It can do all of that. Changing belts on this is super easy. You just press down on the top pulley and rotate it slightly, and then you're able to remove the belt and put on the correct one that you want to use. I'm going to start with the lowest grit that I have, which is going to be the most aggressive to get the edge starting to shape. Now, since this knife is more of an outdoor style knife and not necessarily for use in the kitchen, I'm going to be using the 50-degree attachment instead of the 40-degree. This would be better used on kitchen knives or something where you want a finer edge, but also it won't hold up as well if you're using it for other tasks like cutting wood or something like that. Now that I've got the sharpener plugged in, I'm going to show you how to use it. It's really simple. All you need to do is hold the edge of the blade flush to the guide, and it will perfectly match the angle, and you do that on each side evenly until you start to get a sharp edge. And then once you're down and you have it down to a fine edge, we're going to switch up the grit of the belt and work our way up until it's razor sharp. I just want to go ahead and make it very clear that this is not sharp at all. There is no kind of edge on here to begin with. So in just maybe 2 minutes or so, I've already gone and got a nice edge on here with the 80 grit, the green belt. So now what I'm going to do is switch it to the red, which is 220 grit, and we're going to do a couple passes on this and get it honed up a little bit, and then we'll move on to the purple belt, which is the fine one. That'll give us a really razor sharp edge. So it's starting to shape up really nicely, and it's getting very sharp just after a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and throw on the purple belt, the fine one, and we'll get it sharpened up and see what it can do. So after just a handful of minutes, this knife is razor sharp. Look at that. I don't want to do too much, but I don't think you can see that too well. Look at that. It's razor sharp now. Just a handful of minutes, 3 easy steps that anybody can do. The Worksharp belt sander, like I said in the beginning of the video. Put the link to all the different models in the description, and the one that I have right here, I'm going to put that first. If you want to check it out, if you have a lot of knives and they're all dull and you want to get them sharpened up real quick, this is a great tool for it. And like I said before, I will make a small commission off of any of those sales, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.